Okay, we got a 5R110W here, and we had a problem when we rebuilt this transmission, and I'm going to show you what we actually did to make sure that we didn't have any grounding problems on this thing. First, we ran a ground strap from the transmission, which you will probably see. Where is it? Underneath this thing. There's a grounding strap running from the bell housing bolt of the transmission right here, and it's going to the frame right there. Okay, we made sure that we cleaned that real good and ran a grounding strap from the transmission bell housing to the frame. Okay, alright, just got this big gear here. Okay, then we ran, it's hard to get on this side of this thing, all this big stuff here. Should have done this when we had this jacked up. Okay, we're on this side of it now. Alright, let's see if I can see. Okay. If you see right there, we got another strap going from here. That strap is going there to the battery. Okay. Alright. Then we have another one. And this might be redundant. Where is it there? Going from the battery to the frame. So we have this one going to the battery, which is right here. Battery ground is on the side. Do that on its own. Oh, he's the ground. I heard it go on standby. I don't know what happened. Alright. Okay, uni first. Boy. Alright, big truck. Gotta make sure. What were you saying? What were you saying? Make sure I got that ground shown there. See that? See how I got that on the frame there? Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
See that one? Mm-hmm. Okay. Then the one that you had up front, we put it relocated, and then we put another one on the other side.
All right.
Which goes around. The reason for that, those ground straps on that 5R110W, we took this pump apart. This is the 5R110W pump. We took it apart, and I don't know if you can see inside there. You see it messed up right there. And installed it, took it for a ride, and all of a sudden it couldn't move. Couldn't move because the pump broke as he was going. And what it seemed like, it was either he didn't put in enough fluid or ground. There was a ground issue. But this thing welded right to the plate, so we put the grounds in. Hold this right there. Alright, I'll show you. This here is welded to this plate. Now, let's try here. Whoa! That's broken in there, right there. And this thing welded. Welding part of it is right here, still on here. Here's the part that's broken off. So if you don't want this happening, this pump here is an expensive pump. It costs a lot of money. So we had to take the transmission back out and get another pump. Pump costs about $300. So if you don't want that problem, you look at those ground straps, you better make sure that that transmission is grounded, and don't put a ground in the back of it, because you don't want the current to be going through the transmission out the back. You want it to go directly to the frame and to the battery, or you're going to have this problem. Alright, let me see here. Once again, you can see the inside, what it did to it. It's all chewed up in there.